Hey there, I'm Mr. Know-It-All, the lead swing trading analyst trader at Swing Trade Pros, the #1 swing trading and bot community in the world. And I genuinely want to help you make your mark in the thrilling world of swing trading cryptocurrency. I've been trading since 2017 and I've taught myself many different trading strategies, patterns. I'm known for the falling wedge pattern, as you guys might know. I've dedicated my life to mastering these types of structures and patterns, and now my goal is to impact the lives of 1 million of you. You heard that right. My goal is to impact 1 million people this full cycle. Let that be you. Cryptocurrency markets can be a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs. But through swing trading, I've discovered a strategy that can truly make a difference. I've poured countless hours to studying the intricacies of falling wedge patterns, rising wedge patterns, you name it, and it has become my area of expertise. Here's the thing. I genuinely want to see you thrive in this market. That's why I've made it my mission to impact 1 million of you. I want to provide you with the tools, insight, and support you need to navigate this exciting but challenging landscape. Swing trading is not just about technical analysis. It's about understanding market psychology and developing disciplined risk management strategies. I'll be there to guide you step by step as we identify different types of patterns and structures and seize profitable opportunities. Together, we'll build your confidence in trading skills, ensuring you're well prepared to face the twists and turns of swing trading. Believe me when I say that I genuinely care about your success. That's why I'm inviting you to join me, Mr. Know-It-All, on this transformative journey. Let's make the most of this full cycle and work towards your financial freedom together. You'll find all my links in my bio. Reach out and let's dive into this world of swing trading. I'm here to support you and your family and guide you every step of the way because your success matters to me. Together, let's make a real impact and achieve trading success.
All right. There's a lot of people on the stream tonight. By a lot, I mean 0. Yeah, because I just went live. So I'm just late. Can you go help him? Unreal. Is anybody here? Or am I just... Okay. What happened? He threw up? Nice.
Uber rash. Okay.
Wrecked. Yo. What's that?
Oh, stream it, right?
Yeah, I am. I started late, so I'm sure I won't be getting lots of folks. It didn't take my thumbnail. How's it going, Toe? How's it going, everybody? All right, let's take a look at tether dominance because why not? We got weekly stochastics looking like they might be starting to become into an area where we would say that this is probably an area where you would want to be buying tether. How did this weekly candle close, right? Yeah, so we have two candles here that kind of closed in succession. Okay. I mean, these aren't strong candles by any means. You can see the selling pressure on tether here. In our 2-week candle just opened. Crossing below bullish control zone here on the 2-week chart. The weekly getting that cross down, right? We had this rising wedge type of structure. We got that movement down. So the daily is kind of a bit of a concern here. We can see that we could get a little bit of a bullish momentum coming in here on the daily chart. Not too concerning at this point because we're not like making higher highs on price, and we're still sticking down here at the bottom of this range low, which is okay. We can clearly see though on the daily we did make an engulfing candle here yesterday, or today rather. I don't really think this really causes any real concern until we start breaking like 6.84%, which would be this area right here. And yeah, we could get a pullback sometime soon. It's really not out of the question here. We've been seeing a lot of altcoins really just rally, and we might continue to see that because the longer term time frames are still suggesting we have lots of upside to be had. You could get a couple days of pullback, a week of pullback, that definitely in the cards. But if you look, the weekly, or this is the monthly rather. So the monthly is about to cross bearishly, right? So I would still be in the camp of buy dips if we get them, and we're in a bull market technically right now. That's the camp that I'm in right now, and yeah, this is pretty clear on the monthly here. We can see that I mean we're coming down to these range lows that we topped out at last cycle, but if this is going to be a powerful run, we're probably gonna break this area here in the next coming months. Okay, we could go sideways a bit. We could retest this range. Like I said, we could get pullbacks along the way here, guys. Like, not out of the question at all. Let's see pullback. All right. No real technical damage here for Bitcoin, just sitting up here at 37.4K. I'm still of the opinion that if we were to get a pullback, and if we did it here, we would just come back down to retest this 31K level, our base, as support. But if we don't pull back here, okay, and we go to, like, the monthly chart, as we're about to close a monthly candle here in about 4 days, okay. I could see us pushing to the 618 gold mean ratio, which is right around that 39.5K region, if we don't pull back. And if we end up breaking that region, this 44 to 48K area, or even up to the 786 fib extension, is possible. Okay, longer term time frames are not overbought, right? The monthly is not overbought. It's sitting at 60 on the RSI. Right, bullish control zone on the monthly time scale. Nothing to really be worried about here on the larger term time frames. So shorter term time scales like the weekly, obviously we're getting extended here. We're overbought on the weekly chart. We're at 78, but technically we're not bearishly diverging here either. There's no bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. Right, we broke these levels here. We're above them. That's it. We're in an uptrend. We're overbought. We could get a pullback, make a higher low, and rally again. Nothing of concern here, really. Okay, retest our base, 32K, 31K, make that higher low. That would be great to see, right? Retest this and then run. Why not? Take a look at ETH. Similar kind of setups here. It's the same kind of deal here, but what I want to show you guys, which is what is really interesting, is the ETH Bitcoin chart is really the kicker here, because this is how we know that these altcoins really are just starting their movements, okay? And so that's it. I mean, this is what you guys really want to be paying attention to. And so this is what's really critical is paying attention to the ETH BTC ratio, because that is going to really dictate how ETH is going to perform over Bitcoin, right? So when Bitcoin starts topping out, the money's going to roll into altcoins, right? And so that's where the real gains are made, right? Not in Bitcoin. And so here's your 2-week chart, man. We've never been this oversold on the RSI, ever. Like, this is as oversold as this asset's ever been against Bitcoin. So when this thing slingshots back up, man, it's gonna be a pretty major move, okay? So this is the area to look at. This is the area to look at for sure. What's going on, RPM? So you guys get the gist here. You guys get the drift, right? ETH Bitcoin, very, very oversold. And this is the area where smart money is rolling Bitcoin for Ethereum, right? To capture those gains. Yep, slingshot, exactly. Slingshot is right, man. Slingshot is right. Right, we're going to slingshot all the way back up here in the coming year, 2 years, right? For the cycle. And slingshot right off the major trend line, right? Right off of it, dude. Like right off of it. Just slingshot. Bye-bye. Right? Anyways, what's up, Magic Mike? How you doing, man? We'll look at ILV. Someone was asking me about that one. We charted this one already. There's no real resistance once it breaks above this area here. It could really just run to about 172, maybe even up to $400 with, it's definitely going to pull back somewhere, but, probably at this 382 fib extension, I would say that, we get overbought, we pull back, retest the breakout, and then rally into nothing. There's no resistance here. Yes, stochastic RSI tells the story, correct. And here's ILV, right? Just started this major move. The weekly is, yes, overbought. Can stay overbought. Your average sentiment oscillator just crossed up, man. This is going to be a massive squeeze to the upside, right? You break a range like this, and there's no real resistance, right? Or there's no areas here. ASO already crossed, yeah. Yeah. This is a range break. 171, 172, this region right here. Listen, this asset's straight down. There's no real major support levels that are going to act as resistance until you get to this $400 region, right? This is just straight down. So this thing can just go straight up. With enough buying pressure, this thing just goes straight up. There's nothing stopping it. There's no seller. There's no sellers here. No sellers here. Right? This level right here is really the level of the swing target. So if you took an entry when we gave this entry around $40, guys, it's a 10x swing trade right there. All right. So congrats to anyone that did buy it. You're already almost tripled up. Cool. Looks like Sand is probably also going to make a major run. Yeah, I'll check out the traditional markets as well, man. Sure. So NASDAQ powering through resistance, right? On the weekly chart. ASO weekly cross. Just happened. So I rest my case, man. NASDAQ should go higher, man. There's nothing telling us here that it shouldn't. It just crossed up. Weekly just crossed up, man. So you could go sideways here for a couple days, consolidate, maybe even back test. Sure. Nothing really bearish looking on this chart at all. This actually looks like a major cup and handle is what this looks like to me. This looks like a major cup and handle that's going to see an all-time high break maybe by the end of the year. The monthly chart also kind of depicting a similar story, right? Right, monthly ASO already crossed bullish like in July. So you got your weekly that's reconfirming a bounce off bullish control zone here and a cross up here. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. All right. GC, that's gold. I'm gonna venture to guess gold's looking pretty good. Yeah, pretty close to an all-time high breakout for gold here. You can see the accumulation structure happening up here. Gold's a slow mover, but Can't really be bearish on gold. Again, with the weekly crossing up here, looking good, right? Nice cross. RSI still bullish control zone, not overbought. Looks good. Got room to run. Okay. Your day-to-day price action, I mean, you could just go sideways here, consolidate some more. This is gold we're talking about. It's a very slow-moving asset class. But yeah, you're butting up against major resistance here on the daily chart. Okay. You clear this 2015 area, you can rip to basically the all-time highs or close to it. Okay. And that's what you're looking for. You're looking for a break of this resistance right here on volume. Volume is key on this break, okay? This is a major level of resistance right here. But weekly's telling you, even the daily's telling you, daily crossed up. We're going to see some movement on gold this week, guys, all right? This is telling you that this is probably going to happen sometime this week, okay? Right? Your daily oscillator, stochastic RSI, got nice separation. Yes, you are entering into overbought territory, but you can stay overbought. You're just getting into this move, getting into this momentum swing for gold. All right, gold's looking pretty good. Crude's pretty wrecked down here. You had the wedge break. Looks like you just back tested right now. I would say that this might be an area you could look at to take a long trade. You know, you could set a stop loss pretty strategically here below the 72.40 region, and you know you're at a support. But I personally, I'm not really too sold on this going higher, and this is why. Look, your weekly is telling you bearish momentum on the weekly, so maybe don't look for a long scalp on this. Maybe look for a range break to the downside. Okay. Maybe look for a push up to maybe potentially short. How about that? Look for a lower high to short, because the weekly is telling you more downside for oil. Okay. Which is usually synonymous with the risk assets, stock market, crypto assets going up, right? It's inverse. When oil's ripping, risk assets don't perform usually well, right? So there you go. That all makes sense to me. It makes a lot of sense, actually. So not that you should be shorting support, which that's why I'm not telling you necessarily do that. Might get a bounce off this support to make a lower high around $83 or something. Wait for a confirmation of another lower high, and then you could potentially look for a short trade, okay? So sit on your hands. You don't always need to be in a trade on oil, all right? You don't always need to be in a trade on anything if you're not at a strategic spot. Like, there's no point. DXY looks like shit. Yeah, double topped. Yeah, you're near a weekly support level here. Again, you know, your weekly ASO is in closing, bearishly in closing, okay, for a trend shift on the dollar, all right? Risk assets should be performing well here these next few weeks, next month, all right? If we go to the monthly, you can see we got the bearish cross already, and if that weekly flips bearish, then this will pick up more momentum and more separation on the monthly chart, okay? So if we go to our 2-week, we can kind of get the idea, right? So the 2-week is curling down right now, right? Our weekly already told us that that's happening. How's it going, Shigawire? What's up, dude? Yeah, we could take a look at AVAX, sure. All right, so TP on AVAX short term here, like 25 bucks. Honestly though, like you start breaking these fib levels here, there's not really a lot of resistance. This went straight down, man. just realize that this is a major falling wedge pattern, and you're just getting a weekly cross on this. So the momentum just started to shift. I'm personally not looking to take any profits till like end of 24 or beginning of 25 on a lot of these that I bought down here at $9-10 or something. And that's because I want to hold these assets for longer than a year, right? Long-term capital gains. But listen, you can do whatever you got to do. If you're 100% on an asset, I'm not going to sit here and tell you not to take profit on it. I'm personally not. But that's part of my strategy, right? So I'm targeting a long-term target on AVAX at around $380. Exactly, Flap. Exactly. Cool, man. Yeah, we'll look at TAO. Sure. It's gone, dude. What do you want? What do you want me to tell you? It actually did the whole measured move of what I plotted here, bro. It exceeded it, actually. I think the last time you asked me to do this, we charted the range and it broke the range. So congratulations, dude. Beautiful. Congrats, dude. Congrats. That's gone. Look at that volume, confirming that. You got nothing to be worried about, dude. There's nothing up here. There's no sellers here. You just pay attention to this volume, man. If that volume starts tapering off and you're making higher highs on price, just be careful, okay? Just pay attention to that volume. That's all I'll keep telling you. Volume is everything when you're in price discovery. Because, truthfully, we don't know where this thing is going to go. We don't. I don't know. I can't tell you where it's going to go. No clue. I have no data. Here's your Axie Infinity wedge break. Swing target, $150 in a year, maybe two. Are you guys listening? How about Alice Coin? Falling wedge breakout. There she goes, boys. Just crossing up on the weekly chart, man. Guys, a lot of these assets are just breaking out of major patterns, okay? Yeah. You get breakouts, you get back tests, you get consolidations, you get continuations. That's how it goes. So pay attention. Now's the time to be paying attention. If you weren't paying attention while we were forming these patterns, now should be the time you should be paying attention, if you haven't been already. Okay, cool. I'm glad you guys are paying attention. All right. There goes ILV right now, breaking the range. And look at the volume, man. That's the key. That's the kicker here, is the volume on the range breakout of the asset. That's the key. My wife is having a party right now, guys, without me. Okay, let's take a look at flow because, well, I have a vested interest in looking at this chart. And it's out. It is out of the wedge. Thank God. Right. So we're held up here at the first major resistance lever. resistance level, I should say, right? Once we break through this, our next target is $1.25. Bro, guys, straight down equals what? Come on, you guys have been part of this for quite some time. 11 people on these streams. I know it's the same people. I know it's everyone that has been subscribed. I love you guys. We're all going to be fine in the next year or two. You guys have spent the time. You've learned. You put the time in. That's what counts, right, guys? That's what really counts here. I want to see all you guys post something cool in the chat. Let's go. Let's blow up the YouTube algorithm just for fun. Lever. That's a good project. I talked about that one before it broke out. Major breakout. Guys, there's so many opportunities. Like I can't sit here and tell you I nail everything. I can't. It's impossible. I'm in most of the majors. I'm in the L1s. I'm in the L2s. I'm in flow. I only have a certain amount of capital that I can allocate, so that's it. Good luck, us. And of course, you guys know INJ, right? I think that's my biggest banger. We can check TRB, sure, man, for sure. That thing went on a run. It's pulling back here, as it should. It's literally done the whole wedge break move, guys. Are you seeing that? It did the whole move. It's done. Get out of this thing. Probably short it. It could end up making a cup and handle, though, right? Could make it form a new pattern, right? We could cup and handle on this. But I wouldn't be looking to buy it up here. We gave an entry down here at $10 on TRB. Gone. What do you want? 12x. That's rich. How about UN5? I got out of this one around $10, but I was fine with getting out of it. But dude, this is a major pattern. Major pattern. Look at the breakout. We got a breakout, a back test, and we're rallying now, right? Let me show you guys something. I posted this chart on UN5 protocol when the asset was trading $4. $4, okay? $4. Did I say that enough times for you guys? $4 entry. $4. Let me find it. Somewhere on here. Definitely on here somewhere. Please go recap the TradingView profile if you guys are lost and don't know what to buy or what to do. And by the way, I appreciate whoever subscribed to the yearly package here tonight. Much appreciated. By the way, the Black Friday sale is going until November 30th, okay? F3. Is that a thing? I don't think I can use F3. That's okay. I'll just find it, man. I don't know where it is. Somewhere on here. Yeah. There it is. I posted it on August 13th. The price, $4.50. Let's push the play button, guys. What happened? See ya. Right out of there. Yeah. Okay. That took 3 months to do that. 3 months. Remember, when I post these trades, they take time. It's not going to happen overnight. Remember that. This is swing trading. This is not short-term scalp trading. If you guys want the scalp trades, subscribe to the bots. Those will give you the scalp trades, okay? You want to invest a lot of capital and park it into an asset because we have a long-term pattern we're looking at. This is how these play out, okay? IMX is a great project. Gala is also a great project. Solana, obviously great. ApeCoin, I just posted a chart on, so there you go. ApeCoin, definitely going to make a major move. We just posted Ape's falling wedge pattern here at $1.70. Looks like it pulled back a little bit. Not too concerned about it. XRP and Matic, I am in both of those swing trades. You guys know that. Matic is the epitome of a accumulation schematic. You cannot spell accumulation schematic without Matic. Beautiful. I'm going to show you guys this. All right, so I am expecting this to pull back a little bit, right? Because it did something similar here. We had this wedge break here, right back here this cycle, right? We broke out, we back tested, then we rallied. Broke out, we back test, and then we, not all at once. You're going to get a buying opportunity here on Matic. If you didn't get in, this is the time to do it on this back test, okay? It's literally the same effing pattern. The same top, double top, COVID low, rally, second rally, retest, breakout, back test, gone. Top, double top, bottom, rally, second rally, retest, breakout, back test, rally. That's it. That's what's next. You bought the bottom like we did here at 56 cents. You got nothing to worry about. Nothing. Zero. Here's the confirmation. Weekly crossed up. That's all you need to look at. Weekly confirmations are key to major swing trades playing out, guys. Sure, are we going to pull back? Yeah, we're going to pull back. I just told you that. We're going to pull back a little bit. Why can't we pull back to like 60 cents? Sure. Make a higher low. Make this inverse head and shoulders pattern right here, right? Let's do it. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I even have it drawn out for you guys. It's drawn there. It's there. You can see it. All right. Matic looking great on the chart. XRP, the slowest moving asset in crypto with the largest pennant in all of existence in crypto. Now this pattern right here, guys, is something to really pay attention to. We didn't quite cross up just yet. We might see some more consolidation. We might get one more retest of the bottom of the triangle. We might get it before we really go. We really could get that. Get one more opportunity down here. All right. I have a I have a hard time believing that it's going to break down, but I mean long term anyway, because the monthly is telling me something completely different. The monthly chart is telling me, hey, we just crossed up on the monthly chart. Remember, longer term timescales are significant. Monthly charts are significant, more significant than weekly charts, right? Longer time frame, longer time scale, more data, more information given. XRP is going to melt faces. It just might take a couple months to break out of here, okay? Doge is also great. Broke out. Doge is out. We broke the downtrend on the monthly time scale. Doge is out. It's out. It's out. It's out. Yeah, man. Doge looks great. I will have to say that Doge looks good on the chart. I do not own Dogecoin, but good luck to the holders. It's definitely going to be a power move out of here as well. Yeah, man, it's out. It's out of the pattern. No doubt about it. Dogecoin looks good. Arweave is another one, falling wedge break, right? I'm giving targets up to the 618, which is about 30 bucks. Your stochastics just crossed up on the monthly. Guys, we're just getting monthly stochastic cross-ups on these assets. That means multiple months of upside incoming, okay? Remember that. You still have opportunities to buy these assets. And it doesn't matter, integrity. It really doesn't matter. those guys are going to push the price up because they're in. They're going to keep accumulating the asset for sure. Another one is Waves token. I know I've spoken about this one many effing times, but I want to show you guys something crazy, right? All right, here's Waves. Are you guys seeing this shit? This is crazy. It's literally a perfect channel up. 1, 2. I would call this 2 because it's pretty close to that. There was too much buying pressure off this bottom. Integrity. Listen, buddy, like, let people do whatever they want. Like, the technicals look great on the chart, long-term chart. That's all you need to really know. If you're putting a lot of money into something and the technicals look good, you're going to probably get a good result, okay? Is it the best asset? No, it's not. It's not the best asset. Can it make you some gains? Yeah, it's going to make you some gains. And that's all people care about. How to make money. This is how you do it. You buy the bottom and sell the top. That's how you do it. That's it. That's it. Of course, I understand that, man. It's all good. Look at Waves on the monthly. Okay. Stochastics just crossed up with separation. I'm going to set an alert here at the 20 line. When we cross the 20 line, I bet this asset is going to be doing stupid shit once it does that. Okay. Alert is set on the 20 line on the monthly chart for Waves coin. I think it's going to do exactly what I have drawn out. It might get to 120, 130 bucks. Guys, that's a 60x. That's fucking nuts. Just saying, Waves coin. What do I know? I just look at charts all day. Chili's is another one, man. This is going to be a major break when this breaks. And yeah, this thing goes to $4. Go, guys. Why not? Your first major swing target's $1. That's a 12x. Look at the volume receding on this pattern. Look at that. Just watch the volume on this break, okay? That's gonna be fucking major. I don't own it, but it's gonna be a major mover. Guaranteed major mover. So many assets are doing crazy shit, guys. Like, it's just, I can't stress it enough. Radium is another one. This one broke, hit the 236. Look at the volume on Radium, guys. That is the highest volume node we've ever seen on this asset in its existence. What does that tell you? What is that telling you? That's telling you that buyers are coming into this asset down here for an effing reason. That is a double bottom breakout is what that is, okay? Yes, that is Ray. That is Radium. Yep. That is Solana's DEX. If I had to guess, this thing is probably going to go back up to 20 bucks. Solana's going to make it an epic rally this cycle, for sure. So owning some Solana assets might really be the play if you don't own Solana. Aptos is another one. Falling wedge breakout, broke out of it. Aave is another one with the triple bottom. We spoke about this. I even gave an entry. Arbitrum we spoke about. We gave the 2-day double bottom entry down here at 83 cents. We gave it right here. It's right here. Push the play button. Broke the fuck out. See you later. Yeah, guys. Welcome to the party. The party is just getting started. This is the best time to be in crypto right now, when everything is about to fucking rip. Literally, this is the best time. H-bar, I actually have a pretty big bag of H-bar. I am pretty bullish on this asset. Yup, low, higher low, higher low. This thing is gonna send, guys. It's gonna send. Look at the monthly stochastics. Getting a beautiful like bounce off that. We got some separation on the monthly chart. It's looking good, man. It's looking good. It's looking good. CRO we can look at, sure. Broke the wedge, man. There it is. There's the break. I mean, we spoke about this happening, dude, right? IJ Money. IJ Money, you are always on the stream, bro. Please just tell some folks that are new to this channel that, I mean, well, most people in here aren't new, but just go ahead and tell people what's up, man. Please just go ahead and tell people what's up. Yeah, maybe CRO gets to $3, man, on this cycle. Who knows? I don't know. That's a mystery. I don't know where it's going to end up topping out. But if it does go to the 1272 fib extension, we're looking at $2. Flow is on the move, boys. Polka Dot's another one. Don't ignore Dot. Dot is out on the monthly chart. Dot is out on the monthly with stochastics crossing up. I mean, guys, like, I can't stress it enough. When you have monthlies telling you this type of shit, it's not something to ignore. Algorand's another one, man. This one's still fucking super wrecked. Down here is still a great buying opportunity. Yeah, I said $2 for CRO. I said that's a possibility. We'll see how far up that thing goes. Yeah, man, Algorand down here is huge value down here. Huge value. I would say anything below 15 cents is a monster buy, because even if it just goes to the top of its wedge, which is $2.40, or let's just call it $2, 189. That's what, 10x, 12x. What do you guys want? You want the 100x's, right? All right. You want 100x? Buy some shit coins like Moon River. This thing is just now breaking out. Look at the volume coming in on this break too. This is significant, guys. I've been talking about Moon River for at least a year. Definitely, 100%. This thing, if this thing goes back to its top of its wedge, man, fuck, dude. That's a 50x. 50. So I just gave you waves. I gave you mover. Those are huge movers. Okay. Glimmer is another one I think has started its move. Again, wedge break. Volume coming in, confirming it. Its next real swing target here is 63 cents. You're going to see these things go, man. It's go time. It is go time. Look at the monthly stochastics on them. Look at the RSI, bro. It's at 14. If you're going to subscribe to his service, now's the time to do it. Okay, you're going to get the best bang for your buck. I'm giving you guys right now, if you guys subscribe to the alert service, which will come with the node squeeze indicator, it comes with me. I mean, I'm worth more than what I charge for sure. You know, I'm not trying to toot my own horn here, but you guys have seen some of the trades that I give and what's been going on and what will go on in the coming months. Gonna more than pay for your subscription. I know we have a few people in here like Wildman and Flap that are subscribers to the yearly alert service. You guys know. Please go ahead and tell them how much money you've made since you've subscribed to the service, guys. Please, just coming from me, it's like, hey man, I'm just shilling my service. No, I don't get on here and do that stuff. I only get on here and do that when it's merited, when it's really the time to do it. And now is the time to do it. Take some action. Invest in yourself. Invest in me. I come on here every Sunday telling you guys what I think these markets are going to do. And I'm telling you right now, in the coming months, you're going to see some crazy upside in these markets. That's what you're going to see. There you go, man. Alert service is a 10 bagger. There you go. And we got a Black Friday deal going on right now. Okay, if you guys want to pay up for the whole run, it's worth it, because if you think about it, I normally charge $97 a month. Okay, if you buy for the year, it's $800, which is $67 a month. But if you buy for 2 years, the second year I'm giving away for $400. Okay, that's $1,200. That's $50 a month. What other alert service is doing that and giving you all this and giving you the attention that you need and entries and exits and all the stuff that I do for $1,200 for 2 years? 2 years, 2 years, not 1 year, 2 years. I get it. If you don't have the capital, I understand. It's understandable. But if you have capital in this market and you're not sure what to do with it, I can help you out big time. All right. Yep, it is a Cyber Monday sale, Black Friday sale, whatever you want to call it. I'm giving it away, man. I'm giving it away, giving it all away right now, just for you guys. It's not that I mean, the money helps, of course, but it's not that I need the money. I got my own money tied up in these markets too. So really though, what you're doing is you're supporting me and my family. So I appreciate that. Okay. I have a son. He's 14 months old now. So you're supporting him. How about that? You're supporting him. Don't even think about it that you're supporting me. Cause like I said, it's not even about me anymore. It's about him. About him. Support the baby node, man. I appreciate that. He appreciates it. He's gonna be a better trader than me growing up soon, if he wants to be. Maybe one day we'll get him on here when he's old enough. Yeah. Karura Network is another one that I'm in, guys. They're around 8 cents. This is a low cap. Again, look at the monthly stochastics. This thing's gonna send, man. Like it's even if it just goes to $2, that's a 20x. I don't know if they're gonna pull back right now. I actually just bought this this stock on Friday or on Wednesday. I forget what day, but around 38 cents. Massive falling wedge pattern. RSI wrecked. You got an entry off the weekly chart. Weekly stochastics telling you pointing up. Just starting the major move. Okay. I'm looking for a break above this 47 to 50 cent region. If we can do that, we're looking at this wick high around 96 cents. That's almost a 3x trade. I'd be good with that. But man, that's a major wedge, man, right? At an 88.6% retracement, this is almost probably a harmonic pattern. If I had to guess, it's pretty close to one. And yeah, the major swing targets are up here at, 13, 14 bucks. What? These markets are set up for lots of upside. All right, guys. Appreciate the 16 people on tonight. You guys are awesome. I would assume that most of these people have been subscribed to the channel. For all those new folks that have popped in here, appreciate you guys tuning in. And I'm gonna I'm going to try to start pumping out some more content for you guys, as I feel it's necessary right now to do that. Even though I've been putting content out or trades out on TradingView. You guys should totally follow me there too. I post these for free. Have I looked at Tesla? No, we can take a look at Tesla. Tesla looks good, man. Descending broadening formation with a bull flag set up here. Bounce right off the 50% retracement level. It's probably going to break out, man. Probably going to break out. We didn't get a weekly cross up yet, so we might see some more consolidation up here first. But you're 2 days about to cross up, right? You're getting close to this trend line here. We might not break out right away. We might consolidate up here for a bit. We might, go sideways before a break, something like that. VFS. Let's take a look at it. Oh, wow. Bro. Talking about buying at basement levels. Yeah, man. This looks great. Beautiful. Right? 2 and 3 day stochastics pointing up. Monthly is probably wrecked. Yeah, dude. I mean... Excuse me. This looks like a SPAC, right? This is probably one of these SPACs that you guys like to trade. Yeah, I mean, $9 looks like a good area for it to break above. If it gets above that, take out this monthly bearish engulfing candle at $11. We can talk about major upside and a V-shaped recovery type of thing. Okay. Vietnam EV. How about Lucid, man? Lucid's got the ingredients here for a major move, right? Look what we got going on down here, right? The top, the bottom, the RSI coiled on the weekly chart, falling wedge, right? This is major setup on a weekly chart for Lucid. Major swing trade opportunity here, guys. Pay attention. I bet you in 3 to 6 months, this thing is probably going to go to the moon. What do I know? I just look at charts. I'm in GameStop too, by the way. It might come down to like $10, but I'm a little bit, I don't know, man. It's so wrecked, bro. 22 on the RSI, GameStop, man. I feel like this is where it should be reversing its price action. It's trying to coil out of here. All right. Hasn't done it just yet, but I think if it holds this level, if it holds this support, which right now it's teetering on holding the support. Inverted hammer candle down here. Filled all the gaps. It's at an area. We didn't get any cross or any inclination of cross just yet, but I think at some point, GameStop. I mean, guys, there's just it's still in an uptrend, man. It's still in an uptrend, though. You can't ignore the fact that it's still in an uptrend. Pulse chain. Is this it? No, this isn't it. It's looking good. Your RSI is pretty wrecked at 15. You're getting a weekly stochastic or weekly ASO cross. It's looking pretty good, man. That looks good. Nothing to be concerned about, really. Another major play that I'm in right now, by the way, guys, is Rubik. This is a $3 million market cap. falling wedge broke out. Top of the wedge is 92 cents. You're hearing this right. This thing could probably go back up to $1. All right. I bought it at a penny. 1.2 cent entry for me. I'll show you guys. I don't mind showing you guys. I know talk is cheap, right? You're not showing the trades. You're not in them, right? All right, here's the Rubik entry, 1.2 cents. I only put $500 into it because it's such a low market cap with low liquidity. I don't want to have liquidity issues when I exit. All right. And yes, I'm in Waves Coin too. I'm in Avalanche too. I'm in Matic too. All right. I'm in HBAR. I'm in XRP. I'm in Kusama. It's kind of flat. I'm in a couple others that aren't performing just yet, but they will. That's it, boys. All right. Anything else you guys want to look at real quick? JOBY. Sure, I'll take a look at it. I like it. I like it. Weekly stochastics crossing up. I like it. Falling wedge. Looks like a falling wedge type of setup here. Higher low being made. Yes, that's very good. This looks like maybe a cup and handle formation. Excellent. Excellent. I like to see that. That looks good. You can clearly see you have a wedge break on the weekly chart. Beautiful. Top target here is $10, man. Looks good. Yeah, we'll look at Leo. We're gonna look at EVTOL and Leo. All right. EVTOL. Maybe it's just VTOL. Okay. Could be looking at a complex inverse head and shoulders here, right? This one doesn't look as good as the one that we just looked at, JOBY, but you could see some sideways action here a bit on this. Yep, off support. Okay. Well, I don't think I can chart EVTOL. I don't have a ticker on that, fortunately. Yeah, we'll look at Leo, man. Sure. Is that a stock or is that a crypto integrity? Leo is BNY Mellon. It's a bank. Weekly looks good. The weekly chart looks good. Oh, okay. Yep, you got a descending, a broadening formation on this asset. This looks like some nice upside to be had here. If you get a break, that'd be nice. I assume that this is the one you wanted, Integrity. But if not, if it's the crypto, then we'll look at the crypto. And yeah, the Leo token holding a nice support here in a channel of sorts. Could see some sideways on it. Is that this resistance here? All right. Well, cool, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and hopefully you guys join the community. Check out the alert service. Check out the bots if that's what you're interested in. We got this deal going till the 30th. Make sure you guys lock it in. I think it's a steal, man. Like, really, it is. It's a lot of value. And you're subscribed for a year or two, man. So you don't have to worry about any other fees or subscriptions or anything like that. And I'm always here. You guys can always ask me questions, and you guys know that. I want you guys to succeed. I want all of you guys to succeed, because you guys all should. You guys put the time in. Putting the time in means you should all succeed. Yeah, ACHR broke this wedge, dude, or broke this channel. I would say it was a wedge, definitely a wedge break, and a cup and handle type of formation happening here. You break above this 739 area, you're going straight to about $10. Okay, but remember, pay attention. You could get some consolidation up here first and may not break out right away. That weekly momentum oscillator is telling you otherwise. You could get one more pullback, go sideways a bit, and then break it. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys next week. If you guys have any other content you guys want me to put out that you would want to see, maybe a specific coin or maybe a specific something that I do that you guys don't understand, definitely let me know. Drop a comment in the YouTube comment area, or you can message me on Discord, or drop it in the Discord itself too. All right. Thank you guys so much. We'll catch you guys next week. Have a wonderful week, guys.